Hey, what's up, Adventure family? It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. If you guys new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. But we just getting up here from this little truck stop. We still in Colorado, about to start making our way back home. It was exhausted yesterday for banging out the trail, Crystal's Mine. If you guys haven't checked that video out, please do me a favor, go check that out. Make sure you guys hit that like button and comment down below if y'all got any questions. But we actually gonna start making our way back to the East Coast. We got a long way to go, so to see what this day brings, let's hit the roads and let's see what this day brings. Guys, before we continue on, let's fool the Navigator up. She don't really need to be fooled up to the max because she got a little bit past the half a tank there. So let's put a little bit of gas in it so we don't gotta stop for a while. So guys, we now back on the highway and look at all this traffic. Dang. Thank God we're going home and thank God it's Friday. Damn, traffic look like it goes for miles. But it's moving slowly though. As long as we don't stay on standstill. Let's keep it moving, guys. Keep it moving. It's Friday. I know y'all want to enjoy your day too.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies. I just want to know the truth. Do or die. Is it me or is it you? Is it you?
Ooh, guys, you just pulled over to the side just to make something to eat real quick because I was feeling a little weak. Needed to put something in my stomach. About to cook up some little oodles and noodles here. I mean, just right on the side of the highway. The highway just up there. And then once we cook up, we get back onto the road and continue on with our drive. Almost ready. See it getting warmed up, sizzling up. Ready to get into that plate. Ooh, the little stove is a fast cooker. Soup done. My crackers right here. I'm about to eat up and see you guys when I'm done. Guys, getting back onto the road here. Getting back onto 76 East here. And making our way back home. Guys, just pulled over, seeing a little leak here, and I'm gonna have to turn the car on real quick to see where it's coming from. So looks like power steering or something, because it's coming from the power steering section. Go ahead, turn it on real quick so we can see. Like power steering fluid, and you see a lot of it just leaking out. So let's get that little problem fixed. Go to like an AutoZone or something, or Advanced Auto, whatever they got around this little section, and hopefully they got the line that we need so we can fix it. Lucky it's nothing major, it's an easy fix. Yeah, I see it. The cameraman caught it too, so that's a good thing. You know the problem. So let's go over there and find out auto parts so we can get it fixed. So guys, we actually leaving Family Dollar here. We actually stopped here to get a few things for our cooler, just to restock it up. And that's when I noticed the little leak and stuff. But we're gonna go to like an auto part somewhere around here, and because hopefully they got that little line that we need so we can fix that problem. If not, we're gonna have to come up with another adventure and probably put some duct tape or something until I get back home. And then the steering just gonna be hard. That's why I kind of smell like oil, like burnt oil a little bit. I was like, what the heck is that smell? I just thought, you know what I mean, by just driving for so long, that I was burning too much oil and something. But I checked my oil, everything was fine. So I knew that wasn't a problem. And the Navigator, she riding good, and like, ain't no problems when I'm with her. So, I mean, lucky it's just the power steering, something real simple. Well, not even the power steering pump, it's just the little cable, the little line for it. But let's go over here to this Advanced Auto, whatever this is here, this little part store here. And then hopefully keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully they got the line that we need. Guys, we just arrived here to O'Reilly's. We're about to check it and see if they got the part that we need. First, let me get my face mask. And let's go in there and pray that they got the part that we need. Oh man. I hope they do. Guys, they didn't have the hose that we needed, but we got some JB well. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully this can hold us up for the meantime until we can find that little line, the little cable that we need to fix that little power steering line. So guys, I just put a whole cloud of this JB well. I gotta let it sit for a while, and hopefully, that solves the problem for the meantime. But it's not gonna be a permanent fix. It's just a little temporarily fix to get us, back on the road until we can find that little line that we need, because they didn't have it here, and they said they would have to order it. And yeah, I don't know how long that's gonna take, and we gotta hit the road. So hopefully this solves our problem. So guys, we just did a little temporary fix, put some JB well and a whole bunch of duct tape, and hopefully that will get us back on the road, back home and stuff like that. This auto part here said that they can have it, they would have to order it. So we actually gonna order it ourselves and have it shipped to our house. So by the time we get home, hopefully it'll get there, and hopefully we can make it with that JB well and that duct tape. But I think we should be good from there. As long as we let that JB well sit for a little while, we should be good to hit the road again. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully the leak stops. So guys, we let it sit for like 30 minutes. Now we're gonna get back onto the road, and let's pray that our problem is fixed for temporarily for the meantime until we get the new one. We just ordered the new one just now off of eBay. So hopefully this one will get us back home. Let's make our way out of this O'Reilly's parking lot here. And let's get back to the highway. So guys, we're actually gonna stop again. Just gonna go over here, and wife is gonna pick something up to eat. So they got the news out here doing something. But wifey gonna get some lunch here, and I'm gonna actually check on the van while she get her lunch. So, oh, I think I went the wrong way.
Across the street. Walk across.
We're just gonna park here. She's just gonna cross it instead.
What is that, Fort Cody?
I don't know. But when you eat food, I'm gonna go check this van. Hopefully that leak stops now. So guys, we're about to get out and check this Navigator, see what's going on. Hopefully it ain't leaking. Wifey just went over there now just to go get her food. I'm just right here, just go check on the Navigator. Not hungry right now, I'm gonna wait a little bit later. I can't really tell if anything leaking. Not just yet. I do see a little drop right there. I'm not sure if it's coming from, the old stuff that was just there, just sitting there. But I'm gonna have to just ride a little bit more and just check it out once we get on the highway and stuff like that. Once wifey eat up, we get back on the highway, and hopefully we solve the problem temporarily until we get home, because I'm stressed out right now, man. I'm so stressed because I don't know what can happen, especially with the power steering. I don't want the steering wheel to lock or anything while we're on the road and any danger come to us, but God be with us and let us get home safe. We already ordered a new one, so once we get home, we get that situated. It's an easy fix, so hopefully we can get home nice and safe. So guys, I'm gonna get out this exit here, put the gas and Navigator up, and make sure whatever we did down there at the lines and stuff is all good. All that taping and stuff, make sure see if it's stopped leaking or whatever. Let's go up here and check it. Keep my fingers crossed, and hopefully it stopped it or it slowed it down. Just up here is gonna be like a little truck stop over here. So we're just gonna gas up. Do all that stuff over here. So here goes a little rest stop here. Just gonna look for a nice little parking spot so we can check on the Navigator somewhere out the way. So guys, we've been on the road for like an hour and a half already. And let's check this thing, see what it's like. Yeah, it's still leaking, but not as bad though. Just leaking a little bit. You can see like a little drop right there. So it should be okay, at least to get us home. It could get us home, I know that, because it's just like a little drop, like click, click. A little tear drop. But let's go over here and put some gas now.
Oh shit.
Oh, you was getting too comfortable. How you getting comfortable in the sun? You trying to sweat? We're going in here, guys, and go gas up the Navigator. I just pulled over here to the side to check it up, make sure all that stuff was okay. But as you've seen, it was leaking a little bit, but it's enough to get us home. We already ordered the part, so we should be good to go home. Or to make it home. Let's gas her up before we don't make it home though. Cause she's on E. And she gonna need gas. Damn, look at this RV, something wrong with it. Damn. It just things happens on the road, look. Nah, it's never perfect, guys, look. So guys, we're gassing up now.
That sounds better.
And let's fill up the Navigator now. So guys, we are jumping back on the highway now. Continue on with our ride. So guys, we're here in a little rest area here. We're actually gonna be resting here for the night. We got like 19 more hours to get to the East Coast. So we got a long ride, so we're gonna relax here. But I'm actually gonna check on the little teep job and JB Well job that we did here. Let's see how it's holding up. And yep, you can actually see it's still leaking. It ain't as bad how it was, but that thing was chewing out power steering. So we slowed it down a lot. So hopefully we should be good to get back home. Like I said, we already ordered the part, so we just wait until we get back to the house. So hopefully the part could be there by the time we get there and get that thing fixed. But I'm actually gonna relax here for the night and get some editing going on, get some videos put together. And yeah, see what the night plays out to bring. So we can just relax here. If anything happen, I keep you guys updated. But yeah, we're just gonna be chilling here. Ain't really too much to do here, just to relax. It's like a little picnic area there. But everything is wet because it looked like it came down. But let me just jump to the back, get comfortable, get situated, and figure out what we're gonna do for the night. So I'm here just finishing up this last little bit of this video. I'm trying to get this thing finished up before I take it down. I'll take it down in a few. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We had an amazing time out here. Right now we're in Nebraska, just at this little rest stop right now, just taking it down. Well, about to take it down in a few, but it's pitch black out. When we got here, there was lighting out there, but now it got dark. Even though today we had a little obstacle get in our way, we ain't gonna let that stop us from enjoying ourselves. We're gonna continue on with our journey, continue on with making our way back home down to the East Coast. We got a 19-hour ride tomorrow. We still far away, so we got a long drive to do. So we're gonna wake up super early in the morning, continue on jumping on the road, and hopefully we can make it home, because you know that power steering line is still leaking. So hopefully we can make it back. We're praying to God, keeping our fingers crossed that we can make it home nice and safe, so we can get that fixed once we get to the house and all that stuff. But we're gonna wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna wrap it up from here. So peace, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.